Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing Mina from My Hero Academia, and she's covered in completely pink body paint, so you want to prep your skin. You want to wash it, exfoliate it, shave it if you need to. I do, I have a little bit of peach fuzz, and you want to prime your face. Also, I read somewhere that if you put setting spray on your face first, it can help the paint not stain your face if you wear it for a long period of time. Now, this paint is not a deep dark color. If this was red or a royal blue, there's a high chance that it's going to stain your skin. I can say that this one didn't, but I don't know if it's the setting spray's fault or not. Now, I did not use a brush because I didn't want paint streaks, I didn't want line streaks, but I ended up doing streaks with my sponge anyways because it gave me better coverage, and then I went back and I sponged it all into place to make it smoother. And I'll let you know now, you only get one try with this, because I started to do my neck and my chest, and then I tried to go back in to make it more opaque, and the wetness of the sponge or your brush will ruin your base layer, and it's not worth it. So just make sure you get it right on the first try. It's not too hard. So I'm wearing a jacket, so I only have to go up to about the sleeves of my shirt. If you do need to do a full body paint, there are tricks and hacks to do that. Look them up online. You can use tights to make arm sleeves and stuff like that. Now, we're gonna do contour. This girl has no natural colors in her, so we're going in with nothing but pinks and purples for the day. I always like to say, don't be afraid of color. I was afraid of color. I was frightened. This turns out so dark, but genuinely, with big, vibrant pieces like this, you just need to wait until the end. Wait until you put your wig on and your lashes and anything else that'll put your entire outfit together. It will look amazing. This turned out to be one of my favorite looks, but the contour looks like a clown the entire time. Just give it time. Just go ahead, outline your collarbones, nice and fun. And she also has a lot bigger, you know, titties than I do, so sometimes a little bit of contour can help you out. This is a lesson for all of you. When I went to go and blend out my nose contour, I used the same brush I used for my cheeks, and the dark color got all over my nose. I tried to fix it. Now, you can contour your forehead like this. I suggest it if your hair is pulled back like this, but most likely your wig is gonna cover it. I'm trying to highlight my face, but I realized this light pink was the exact same color as her skin tone, so I'm actually highlighting with a white eyeshadow and going over to blend it with a brush I've been using to blend the darker pink eyeshadow, so that combined actually made for a much lighter highlight that's not too striking. So wherever you contoured before, if you took the time to contour your collarbones, you want to highlight them as well, just to give that harsh contrast. Now we're going in with highlight. I like to call this my special palette. It's one of the more expensive things I own. It's a Huda palette. So you go in with your base skin color first, which was that really light pink, and now I'm going in with a semi-dark pink, not as dark as the contour, and we're just going into the crease of the eye. We're taking a little bit darker color, darker than our contour, and putting that in the corner of our eye. If you didn't want to make her any more glam, you would stop here. But I'm putting this really dark purple. I want to make a gradient of sparkle, so I'm putting this on the outer part of the eye where the darker part was, and I'm going to fade it into this light green all over the lid. And don't be afraid, I put this in the crease and a little above the crease, so you can see it when my eyes are relaxed or very open. taking the darkest color and putting it under the eye, and I'm blending and smoking it out. Little bit of inner corner highlight. Now, we're doing almost no liner today. The lashes I'm planning on putting on are insane. The only thing I'm doing is connecting the tear duct to where my lashes start, and that fills in the gap that the lashes do not cover. The brows, she really should not have brown brows. So I'm taking this eyelash primer that I have. It's white tinted, so it didn't coat my brows in white, but it does give a sticky base because we're going in with a powder. I'm going in with a very sharp brush and just feather it in, nice light strokes. You don't want to pound in the pink color. In the end, it'll end up looking much better if you don't pack it in. So for lips, I wanted to do a dark pink. It's actually kind of red. Just use your best judgment for whatever lip you want to do. And I'm just fixing it up with a pencil because I'm really bad at lipstick. Now with body paint, it's going to dry your lips out, and I don't know why. Put gloss on, spread it out. It'll keep you away from crusty lip. Now, don't forget to paint your hands or any other part of your body you need, put on lashes, and done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is actually the first time I've ever tried to be Mina, and actually I borrowed the face paint and the wig from my good friend over here. Her link is in the description below. She's a wonderful Mina. She actually did a full swimsuit Mina if you want to look in our Instagram. That was a lot more than just this painting. We spent about an hour just doing the whole thing. So go show her some respect for doing that. And thank you guys. If you want to, go ahead and like the video. Comment down below what other body paint characters you think I should do. If you have any tips for making it last all day, or even just better products that could be used. And I'd appreciate it if you checked out some of my videos and maybe even subscribed. So thank you guys so much. See ya. Yeet. Eat, 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 eat. Nice.